Sa likuran? Alam ko, wait lang ha. Ito sa atin.
Kung ano yung gagawa.
Malu? Oh, okay.
May dear. Require kayo. Pero magkano mo sa plastic? Kulipit nga. Pinakita ko na nga. Ang kulit mo. Kailan mo yung bala ng gawin?
There is Alwatwa.
Dito na. Ano pala nyo extra lady? 11? Ibibig. Kaya nga. Extra lady natin.
Ay, baon na.
Basa na niya.
Guess. Malu, give the guess.
Gas o
Meron. Design pa, wala pa. Design na wala. Wala ako ng pansit. I need design.
Design. Which one design?
Pineapple.
For pineapple, strawberry. You take strawberry.
I can go inside.
Yeah. Malu, give strawberry.
Do you have
Yeah, there is strawberry for pineapple.
And I need ano pa rin gas. May pineapple na ako. Pineapple na ako. Asa yung drink natin? Ayan. Wala pa laman.
No need too much ice. Already hot, cold, all.
No, we have to tell. Bade no problem. Bade no problem. Papakain natin. Oo na. Ay, ito. Sa'yo to. Okay, akin. May uniform na to. Ay, kalami sa akin niya. Oh, atin mo to. Kakainin na to. Oh, atin din.
Where is Jan?
Tagalin naman pwede na. Kasi ano yung balalamog. Buti naalala mo pa ako.
There is no strawberry.
Ikaw daw kasama.
Malu, this one pineapple for which one drink?
Pineapple decoration.
Which one?
For wedding.
No wedding, but which one drink? For pineapple. Pineapple for pineapple decoration is strawberry.
From my mouth.
Okay, got it. This pineapple. This is good. Yeah, we did not need. What? Yes, dear.
Rose lemonade.
Where you go?
Alwatba.
Big one party.
Part.
Huh?
30.
For 30.
30 pa. 32.
Okay. You need
Spanish
a.
latte.
Huh?
Hot yun. Hot. We will put this one, the coffee for Spanish latte.
No. Spanish latte. You put this one. What is this? Marshmallow.
Spanish latte is marshmallow?
Yes, Spanish latte.
Not put this one?
No.
Powder.
There is, yeah, coffee powder is there and also this one. Cream. Oh. This one. You take it.
Cream and... Whipping cream. Mafi.
You check, no?
Mafi, this
Ikaw
one.
lang nga maganap.
No more already this one.
Ito may,
Kung may laman.
may Oreo tayo, may zero.
Ha? Wala. Ay.
Oh, class, they go already.
Ay, what ba? Sagin. Oh, one. Oh, uniform. Oh. Ay, what ba there? This one again. Okay? Oh.
Salim wife is too much small.
Too young. Too young.
You go with Jane? Ah, Saudiyat, Saudiyat. Don't forget anything else. You go far. Nobody come from there.
May password ah. Siguro, para makita ng habibi eh.
Para hindi mabuksan. Ano ka ba? Para hindi mabuksan. Ganun lang. Kasi Milay, busy talaga si Milay. Sabihin mo.
Busy siya.
Saan ba siya nag-part-time?
Lapper yata sila.
Napper, na regular na siya doon, no?
Hindi ko alam.
Bakit hindi na siya mag...
Pagkaunti lang kasi wala.
Ate, may planggana ko mo ah.
Wala.
Kasi hotel kami, wala.
Wait, kanina.
Why you come back?
Ito.
Ilan tayo ka makautob kasay?
Still not here.
On driver road?
Two car. The other car.
Tapos magpabuka lang ng
One more car for us.
Okay.
naman kayo. Ay, sa bagay lang na.
Say, ilan kayo, Say? Say, ilan kayo doon?
Ikaw, ay wala, oh.
Kita ka na gamay.
Ang dami, hindi ka
Para paglabay. Abi na mo ganit, Say, buntis ka na eh. Ah, okay lang na. Mag-asawa ka naman. Say, sa ano sa kuli?
Tanong mo lang, gimat mo. Kakadala mag-gimat.
January?
Oh, nakita na ko po. Silver.
Wala ka mag-kontrata ako sa imong kontrata.
January naman.
Ano sa January? Bili mo pa ng buwan mo eh, gaba. Kasi February 1.
Muli ko February to.
Oo, na yan. Magbingbang na yan.
Animal.
Bigang animal. Bigang.
Grabe na, wala yung diri siya.
Mali mo sa January 8.
Pupunta ka.
Magbakasyon na sa tama 25.
Yes.
Ayan. Magpapagod.
Sana all, nagpapailot lang.
Bata mo.
Sorry
Na.
Ah!
Busay.
Saya ang eh. Oh,
Wala na. Huwag mo kila.
Isa may travel ka pa rin apply. Isang 2 taon namin, mag-2 taon namin sa ano. Kanigo.
Uy, ang
Upo kami, upo na. Balay sa una.
Ay.
Ano kaya anak yun?
Wala yung kakailan.
Upo balay sa una. Si Cheryl, ako, siya.
Kayo ni Direngal.
Si Milay, iba yan. Hindi yan kasama na ako. Pero kapit-bahay lang din.
Si Sheila sa
This is not, there is no ice. You check. I think enough, already cold. You take it from there. Okay, I give you, wait.
This is for us, Wame?
Yeah.
Ayan, yung mga baso mo yun.
Oh. Go, go, go.
Pito na yan.
Uniform already. This lady take it, your uniform.
Wala na? This one.
No, this one for not for you.
No more?
No more.
This one for them.
Yes.
Hot drinks.
Hot drinks, yes.
Yeah, only hot drinks.
Yes. Check, come. This one all. Ah, you put your
Tinago ko yung
driver outside, Salim. Gir. If something is cold, you told Iman, he make for you hot. quickly. Yeah, Salim Teen.
Mag-uniform ka ba?
Oh, pito yan.
Pito kayo?
Pito yan, hindi pwede. Pito.
Wala nito.
Check all things. Where is your socks? I talk with. Already one lady take it. Yes, she take it. Check it.
Cappuccino, si ticket.
Yeah, already. This now 2 parties left, na.
Oh.
Okay, bye. Take care. Okay, bye. Take care. Huh.